Hello everyone, welcome to Such Vlogs. Today is a Friday and we can call a lady special day. Today I am planning to make a Mexican beer. Everyone is drinking beer, so I thought to give a twist in the beer and change a taste of it. So let's go. Let's see what all is there in the ingredients for us today. We have lemon, we have beer. I'm using a Heineken beer here. You can use any beer. And salt. So let's see how it is. So we'll be starting with the lemon first. So you will be cutting the lemon into two pieces here, this way. And then we'll be rubbing this lemon all over the glass on the top. We'll be spreading it properly. You should make sure no seeds come over it, because if you don't put it properly, the salt won't stick. After this, you'll be sticking the salt. We can just put this glass over the salt. This how it looks like. You can see the salt all over the glass. Now we'll be squeezing the lemon. You can use the same lemon. We'll be squeezing and taking some juice out of it. Around 4 to 5 teaspoon juice we want, so we will be taking another lemon too. Now we'll be starting with the salt. I'll put around half teaspoon of the salt into the glass and 4 to 5 teaspoon of lemon. You can put according to your wish. If you want to increase, you can increase. If you want to decrease, you can decrease it too. So now we'll be putting a beer. This beer is chilled, so I have not put any ice. If you want it more chilled, you can add ice also to it. So one thing you have to make sure you put the beer very slowly so that the foam doesn't come up. So I'll be putting it very slowly so that I avoid the foam coming. So the Mexican beer is almost ready. You can just mix it very lightly, because the foam will be coming up if you mix more. So very lightly you can mix it, and here is the Mexican beer ready. So try. We'll be making a small chakna with this. So it's very easy to prepare. So you can have the beer and a chakna. Let's see what all is required for chakna. So for the quick chakna, we'll be taking a little of aloo bhujia. Here I've taken Cheetos. If you're in India, you can take kurkure also. And then a little of chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and chopped chili. And to add on, I have just added a hot sauce. This is an optional. If you want, you can try it. Otherwise, it's okay. So let's see how we make it. So I'll be adding the Cheetos to the aloo bhujia. Not all of it, but a little. I have cut the Cheetos into small pieces. As you know, aloo bhujia is small and Cheetos are big, so I've just tried to make it a little bit small, so easy to eat. Now I'll be adding some tomatoes. And some onion. And a little of chili. You can choose according to you. If you do not like chili, you can opt it out. And I'll mix it properly. Now I'll be adding this hot sauce, around a teaspoon. We'll just take a half teaspoon, so that you can see how it's getting mixed properly. You have to mix it very properly, otherwise you'll have the tanginess or a sour feeling. So it's done. We'll be putting 2-3 drops of lemon, and it's done. Here it is, it's ready. So here's my beer. We'll be adding little more beer. As you can see, it's settled down. So here's the beer and the chakna ready. So please like, subscribe and comment how did you like it. Is it good, bad? We'd like to take all the comments you give, and also don't forget to ring the bell so that you get all the updates. Thank you.